Hi friend, Brent here. If I were to present to you with an opportunity that required some monetary investment on your part, would you financially be able to take advantage, like right now? Even if the proposition guaranteed results? I bet a lot of you would say no. I can't afford that at the moment. And that's okay. Sometimes you just don't have the funds to spend on advertising right now. That money might be better suited for immediate needs, such as feeding your family or buying your monthly public transportation pass to go to and from your full-time job. However, that doesn't mean you'll forever be in that position. We're all in the same boat striving to better ourselves. In this video, I want to speak to the people who want to earn an online income without having to spend on advertising dollars on sites like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. I want to let you know that it's totally feasible. One question I see out there pretty often is if it's only possible to make money online and grow your business if you're spending on traffic sources like those mentioned earlier. And the truth is, it's absolutely not. You can easily grow and scale an online business just for free by getting traffic from platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, even if they offer paid advertising. Today, I'm going to give you my favorite places to get free traffic right now that don't cost a penny in advertising. Now, before I jump in, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I regularly drop new videos where I share with you how to make money online totally free. It's the only way you'll be sure to see the videos as soon as they're released. Also, make sure to hit that like button to let me know if you find this content to be of value. Alright, let's jump in and talk about my favorite free traffic sources. Number 1, new apps like TikTok and Triller. Okay, I had to start with these to get them out of the way because, to be really transparent, I'm not active on TikTok and a lot of the newer apps out there. However, I know for a fact with the number of entrepreneurs I've come across on these platforms, being early on these apps is one of the best way of getting completely free traffic. Here's why. When these apps are just getting started, it's important for them to quickly test new content and show users as much content as possible so that they can choose who they want to follow. That's why early on, the Discovery tab or the For You page are extremely important because that's where people find content that the app is testing in order to collect their interests. So being early on these apps, and yes, by joining TikTok, you are still considered early, is a great way to get our content viewed by thousands of people without spending a penny on advertising. Even though TikTok is still in its early stages, they have over 1 billion users and just for content. Facebook has about 2.8 billion. So in just a few years, TikTok has gained a third of users of Facebook. Now, if you're worried about the need to dance or sing to get views, that's simply not the case. TikTok has evolved and grown in popularity. You'd be surprised at how many trending videos are just of someone talking about their daily lives or sharing a funny story. The truth to success on TikTok is consistency. Create 2 to 3 TikToks per day, testing out a variety of different things, and you'll find that you'll get at least 100,000 views per video. If you're not sure what to post, download the app, sign up for a new account, and spend hours watching videos. I can guarantee it's quite entertaining, but be careful not to fall in the trap of just viewing content. Because just like YouTube, you can literally spend days on there and wondering where all the time has gone. You'll also get at least 5 to 6 ideas on what you can start posting. If you do this for long enough, you'll build up an audience before you even know it. You'll have people visiting your affiliate offers without paying a dime in traffic. Another option is Facebook groups and forums. I typically recommend everyone who starts an online business to start on Facebook group in their niche. The reason for this is because creating a group is free, and when people are searching for groups on your niche, Facebook will recommend your group. The key with Facebook groups is to make them interesting. Pick something that stands out. So for example, if you're promoting a product that helps people make money online, a group called Make Money Online isn't going to get you very far. But something like Make Money Online for Stay-at-Home Moms or Make Money Online without Facebook ads, now you'll start to get people's attention and you'll find people joining the group because they're interested in how you're doing it. Now, if you don't want to make your own group, that's fine too. You can easily join other groups and jump in on the conversations they're having. The same is true for forums like Reddit or Quora. When people ask questions and you've got answers, then leave a link in your bio or profile to a product that you're promoting. If you've answered their questions well, people will naturally go to your profile or even DM you with additional questions. One important thing to remember, however, about social media is that it's built to help people connect and create relationships. If you're out there to add value and build relationships, you'll be met with a lot of people who will benefit from your services. Another option is to post original content on YouTube. Now, for those who think it's too late to get started on the YouTube train or believe that ship has sailed, it's simply not true. It isn't too late. The reality is that it's used as an excuse, one that I've also made before. See, the reason that you're not too late to the party when it comes to YouTube is because it's changed the way people spend time on the website. It used to be where people would search for a video and go about their day, but now YouTube has gotten far better at recommending content. There's so much stuff to watch on there that people are sticking around for hours watching new videos that YouTube recommends. So now you have two ways for people to see your videos for free. Either you create videos that people are likely to search for, such as product review or tutorial, or create content that YouTube would recommend, like how to make an omelet blindfolded, or whatever you think that's relevant in your niche. Oh, and before I leave this one, unlike webinars, YouTube videos are great because you don't have to show your face. You can simply have a PowerPoint up and record your voice over it if you're feeling a bit shy at first. If the content truly helps people and solves a problem, YouTube will do its job and distribute it. The best advice I can give you with regards to YouTube is starting. Just start. Create a video around a topic that's either trending or something that people are searching for that you're also interested in, and post it. Everyone's video the first time out is garbage. We all got to start somewhere, but with time, consistency and practice of your videos will get better and better. Your subscriber count will grow and the traffic to your affiliate offers will skyrocket. This doesn't happen overnight though, for anyone. Plan on taking a year for people to find you and for your impact to grow. Now, there's such a thing as the discussion tab. This is a feature that I'm going to start using more often, and as soon as I get a little more info on them, I'm going to release a tutorial on what I've learned. But check this out. On the YouTube discussion tab, you'll actually be able to post text-based messages, images, or GIFs, just like on Facebook fan pages. But unlike Facebook fan pages, the engagement will be a lot higher. What this means is, if you don't upload any videos, and if people subscribe to your channel, you can still write content and promote products without having to create any videos. Now you're probably thinking, okay, but how do I get subscribers without any videos? The answer is pretty simple actually. Comment valuable content or answer questions other people's channels. Just like in forums, if you're providing helpful info, people will naturally check out your profile to see if you have other content that they can learn from. So let's recap. The first free traffic method is TikTok or whatever new trending app is. Remember, being early on a new app is one strategy for building an audience more quickly and getting traffic to your offers. Next is Facebook groups and other forum type sites. Be part of the conversation surrounding the niches and strive to build relationships. After that is creating YouTube videos. This method takes time. My advice is to put at least a year in before expecting any crazy results. Last is utilizing the discussion tab on YouTube to increase engagement and build relationships. Okay, so that should have given you enough ideas to get you started. Remember, when it comes to growing an online business, there's always ways to make it happen that works for your budget and schedule. The biggest problem for most beginners is that they don't actually have a high converting product that they feel comfortable promoting. This is a challenge that we've all faced, and I've looked hard for a solution. Having gone through a lot of trial and error, I found this Anthony Morrison and his program called Partner with Anthony. It's only $7 a month, but he provides you with a ton of value such as done-for-you funnels, email sequences, high-converting products to promote, additional traffic strategies, and essential training content that will benefit any new business owner. It's been a game changer and provided a solid foundation for me to build my business on. So even if you're relatively interested in affiliate marketing, you should definitely check this out. There's a link in my description that you can click on to view a free training that goes into more depth on this program. At the very least, click on it and check it out. If it's not worth it for you, no harm done. But my guess is at $7 per month, it'll be well worth it for you. And that's a wrap, YouTube. I want to thank you so much for staying with me till the end. If I've provided value in this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about other online strategies to generate income that work today, check out this video I've linked in either the card above or at the end screen. I'd also like to know if you're already using any of these video platforms, and if so, what strategies are you using? What niche are you in? What products are you promoting? Write a little something below. I'd love to start a friendly conversation with you. This is Brent, your friendly affiliate, telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.